Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We're here in Tampa, Florida at the Home2 Suites, downtown Channel District. And this is a hybrid hotel with a Hampton Inn as well. Nice saltwater pool on the 6th floor and the free hot continental breakfast, which was good. So, anyways, this is a city view room with one queen bed with a sofa bed. So let's get into it. Doing this a little backwards today. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Room 824. Outlets by the bed, wireless charger, USBs. Got a lamp. Our little closet right here. Little sliding desk type thing. Shelves. Excuse the mess. Bed's nice, Hilton quality sheets. Outlets. Love that. Another outlet on a lamp. Got this little divider thing. It only divides it up halfway. Probably for privacy. Got our sofa bed. Nice size Samsung TV with the Hilton Smart Stuff. Storage drawers. Bathroom is occupied as usual. Clean. Shower. Pocket door. No complaints in the bathroom. Another little end table. Thermostat for PTAC units. Dishwasher. Garbage disposal. They give you all of got a nice microwave, refrigerator, everything's clean. All their dishes, coffee maker. And here's a look at the kitchen area right here. All right. The thing to know about these Home2 suites in general, as you saw in the kitchen, they do not have a stove top. I think you can request a hot plate if needed. But anyways, rack rate of this room, $470, I think, for the weekend. I paid employee rate prices. I paid like $93 on employee rate. So honestly, obviously not bad. It's in a good location. Never been to Tampa before, first time. We're 15 minutes from the Anomaly Arena. Going to see Alan Jackson. That's why I'm down here. Tomorrow we're gonna Uber down to Clearwater and doing a second hotel on this trip. So stay tuned for that hotel room tour video. Well, let's take another pan of the room. Like I said, this is a combo with a Home2 and Hampton Inn. You walk outside, there's Hampton Inn rooms, and you walk on the other side of the hall, down the hallway is Home2 rooms, but they're all connected. Let's take another pan. And yeah, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe, and KW out.